Have you ever experienced people saying that you are a failure? Even the closest ones? Did you ever experience telling yourself that I am a failure? Please do remember this. A season of failure doesn't define you. Failure is just an event. It will not stay for long. It will just pass by. Example, hindi ka natanggap dun sa ipinag-a-applyan mong trabaho, or even failed your exam, hindi mo napasa yung mga modules sa online classes, or wala kang napasahan na quizzes or exams. You failed your first business? Those are just few examples of failing. Failure is always part of success. You are experiencing a lot of failure lately because you are trying your best and you are trying new things, and above all, you are taking risk. My friend, always remember that you will only become a failure once you give up. Think about this, my friend. You already went through hell, right? If you quit right now, you will end up when you first began. Remember when you started? Kung saan ka nagsimula? You were so desperate to be where you are right now, my friend. You are experiencing hardship in life, so you better give yourself a reward from that. Tapos ngayon ka palang magki-quit. You don't deserve quitting. Kaya mo yan, tuloy-tuloy lang. Trust me on this. Give yourself a reward instead of quitting. And if the factor of all this quitting is just the validation of others, let me tell you this. When you see or hear people talking about you, don't worry, my friend. It means that you are already at the top. When you are already at the top, you become the top pick. And when you are the head, you become the headline. Makes sense, right? So don't worry about what people are saying. The reason why people talk behind you, it's because they are already behind you. You're already at the front. Always put that in mind. We all remember Michael Jordan's 6 championships, right? But we don't remember his nearly 15,000 missed shots. Thomas Edison conducted 1,000 failed experiments. The 1,001 was the light bulb. Amazing, right? Fail big, my friend. You gotta learn to make your failure as your fuel to push you and to motivate you even more. If you don't fail, it means that you are not even trying. Turn your wounds into wisdom. Fail and pick up yourself and fail again until you hit rock bottom, and make that as a solid foundation in which you can rebuild your life. Did you know 99% are not willing to do what it takes to make their dreams come true? You cannot win the war against the world if you can't win the war against your mind, my friend. You just have to try different things. Even 99% of them fails, you only need to be right one time. You don't need to figure things all out in advance, my friend. You can be wrong. You can pick the wrong career, you can pick the wrong job, and even you can pick the wrong spouse. But if you get it right one time, you're already set, my friend. But if you don't try, and if you don't go out there and try different things, you'll never get that one time. Every time you lose on something, you are one step closer winning the next time.